Apple is reportedly rejecting all coronavirus-related apps unless they come from health organizations in an attempt to prevent the spread of misinformation. But how am I supposed to learn how to wash my hands without paying $0.99 to a random app developer? Please help, and yet Facebook won't take down the millions of bots dividing our country. // stops programming game about sneezing on your friends to pass along a virus. Should take a look into TikTok then. The comments section on that app make me believe that kids should not be allowed the internet at all. They believe anything influencers say and don't have any sort of cognitive ability to know what to trust. Though developers of new apps are being rejected, a search of the App Store for the word coronavirus on Friday morning turned up several results that were clearly outside of Apple's guidelines. Well, it's the thought that counts. I support this. Too many scammers. Also, Tim Apple has recently advised the government to try and turn the country off and on again to get rid of coronavirus. Absolute good lad. Thank you, Apple. What about Reddit then? Hopefully this includes the Facebook app. One of the best things they've ever done in the App Store. Isn't this good? If only Reddit would do the same. Instead they put a banner at the top and send notifications telling us to follow a fucking subreddit to stay safe. Despicable. Now do Facebook. Definitely needed. Our work had a huge amount of people spreading misinformation about our workplace. A rumor started on Reddit. LMAO, the misinformation on social media right now is mind-blowing. Good. We need to reduce the amount of monkeys on this site parroting the same apocalyptic death scenario in every thread too. People trying to profit off of mass hysteria. Only difference is they aren't major news media outlets, I guess, so it's bad. But the app that shines blue light to sterilize my hands is gone? WTF Apple. Fuck. I was almost done developing an instant camera virus test app. Don't worry. Reddit will continue to spread misinformation about coronavirus. The hell do these coronavirus-related apps do anyway? Can't spread misinformation, unless it is official misinformation. Wow man, everyone trying to capitalize on the coronavirus nowadays, lol. This is good. Lick the screen if you want to live. Facebook, take note. And everyone still shits on them for wanting this kind of control over their storefront. As much as I dislike Apple products, gotta give credit where credit is due. I like good news for a change. More like unless they're verified by the Chinese government. Censor me harder, daddy. Yes, only trust official government sources, comrade. Thank God all these tech companies that are allied to government financial and surveillance interests and that are telling their employees to work remotely are controlling the flow of information to stop misinformation. Does that mean I can't tell if I have coronavirus through the fingerprint reader on my new iButt Plug 19X running iOS Meth Leopard? I think this is a great idea because nowadays fake news are everywhere and many people don't difference them from the good ones, so this can cause really bad consequences. Overall relates to this theme that is so serious. You are bad guy, but that does not mean you are bad guy. Apple doing their job and moderating their own app store like they should be expected to do at all times is newsworthy now. Good job, Apple. I swear to God, can I block the term coronavirus from my fucking feed? I don't need an update every time someone new gets sick. He looks like he's holding a knife in the thumbnail. What about apps about vaccines? I've never done a search for it because why would I, but I feel like anti-vax bullshit probably does have some apps out there. Wow, novel approaching from Apple. Good and bad. Yeah, well, make sure you keep the White House in the loop. Wahahaha. Maybe Facebook could take a cue on a technology company curtailing disinformation. Meanwhile, https://imager.com/dhv1nnq. JPG. Apple is banning Facebook, then. Removed. Good. The amount of misinformation I see is scary. Half people I know are in a panic and the other half don't seem to care.